Today we will do chapter manufacturing industries of geography. Now let's first discuss what is manufacturing. Manufacturing is nothing but the production of raw material into finished goods. For example, if we take sugar from sugarcane, clothes from cotton, paper from wood, and iron from iron ore. Now let's discuss about the importance of the manufacturing industries. What are the importance of manufacturing industries? It helps in modernizing the agriculture. Moreover, it reduces the dependency of the people on the agriculture by providing more jobs in manufacturing unit. It also leads to the more employment in the country and it reduces the poverty level also. We get the export from the manufacturing goods and it expands the trade and the commerce. Now let us discuss about the contribution of the industries to the national income. We say that the share of manufacturing sector is much lower in comparison to some of the East Asian countries. Their contribution is more East Asian countries economies. With the appropriate policy interventions by the government, the efforts by the industries has been improved. The level of the production is being improved now. The trend of the growth rate in manufacturing over the last decades has only been the 7% per annum. Now let us discuss about the factors that are affecting the location of the industries. Very first is availability of the raw material, land, water, labor, power, capital, transport, market. Now, these factors can be divided into physical factors and the human factor. Now, the physical factor is land, raw material, power, energy. And then we have the human factors also, which are labor, transport, market, technology, capital, government policies, and accumulation. Now let's see that how it works. Industries and market linkage. Inputs are there. When the inputs are converted into the finished goods with the help of factors of production. With the help of production, it goes to the factory. Then from the factory to the sale out to the market with the help of the transport. Then from there, money is earned and then again to the factory input is given. So this how the circle goes on. Now let us discuss the classification of industries. Very first on the basis of raw material. Now the industries basis on raw material, very first is agro based, where they get the raw material from the agriculture. Mineral based, they get raw material from the mineral based like iron ore to convert into iron. Agro based, if cotton, converted into the cotton clothes. Then we have basic and key industries which are very basic. Like iron and key industries are called the basic industries because they are the base of every industry. Then we have consumer industries where they are industries where the raw materials are converted into the finished goods and directly moved to the consumers like tea and coffee. Then we on the basis of capital investment we have small scale and large scale. Small scale industries are those industries which are having the investment less than 1 crore and large scale industries are those industries which have investment more than 1 crore. Then we have ownership. Ownership on the basis of public, private, joint, cooperative. Now in the public, the factories are owned by the government. Private industries are owned by private individuals, single person or a group of people. Joint when the industry is owned by the government also and with the individual person also. Cooperative sectors where the suppliers of raw materials are the owner of the industries. Then on the basis of bulk and weight of raw material and finished goods. Very first is heavy industry, another is light industry. Heavy industries means where the raw material is heavy, like iron is making from the finished product is iron coaches, railway coaches. And lightweight industries like raw materials is also light and finished goods is also light. That is making of the small nuts for the small screws or nuts for the television or any other cycle purposes. So hope you have learned till this. Thank you very much.